is working in all of that. The technique of what I did was working in multiple subdomains. So they were able to do that in 6 different subdomains, and they gave me 5,000 into 6, $30,000. At that point in time, tax app is an enemy poach. I don't even know. But for a college student like me, third year sitting in the hostel, right? I'm getting 23 lakh rupees in my account. I'm talking about 2005. This is a domain, I have to do something. Then you know what? Full-fledged buck bounty hunter. Right? And next another 1 week you should see me. My dressing style became different. I put a hoodie. This thing. Laptop, Sada laptop. It was i5 with 1 GB, 2 GB RAM. No, 512 MB RAM. The laptop it was a Hyundai laptop. I don't know if you know that. Hyundai had a laptop also. Literally cheapest model. Right? So for me to connect to the internet, I have to use dial-up connection. I don't know if you know what is dial-up connection. Right? Such a slow internet. I managed to be awake all through the night to identify one bug and report it every day for the next 2 months. Daily would report Anupam. This is my target. Every day I said. But I got from Microsoft $30,000. It was like, I decided. And after that, saw that kind of a money, and it was the money that I earned. Right? I didn't even intend to put efforts to earn. It happened. Right? And then I thought the money மேல ஒரு மோகம் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, that was not there. அந்த டைம்லயே எல்லாத்தையும் பார்த்தாச்சு அப்படின்னு ஒரு 20 odd lakhs இது. You can't buy even one house. But at that point in time for a student it was just too much. You understand what I'm saying? Then thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights on cybersecurity.